are the elevators here at the Wyndham Grand Pittsburgh Hotel here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Now, before I start riding the elevators here, this car right here is used to be a Specs elevator, hence the call button right here. But unfortunately, this one is broken, and so is that one next to it. Because what happened was, I was riding the elevators here, and I was going up over the top, and the elevators suddenly stopped hard on the 4th floor, so hence that one's broken now. But let's call it down. Westinghouse. No. Bad boy. Lanterns work. Go down to the lobby.
Oh. Got it?
Yeah, I'm going up.
Okay, hold on. I'm going to get it behind you, all right?
Okay.
See if we can do that together, all right?
Alright, what floor are you going to?
Number 8.
Alright.
We'll make this work somehow. Seeing the art show today?
No, I just came here about an hour or two ago. Here you go.
What are we on?
8, yeah. You guys going up? Okay. Okay. This is going up anyway. Let's go down the lobby. Here we go.
We don't know, you talking about it's right around here?
There's a nice picture of a beautiful suspension brake, like the Three Sisters or something like that. Pretty nice. There's your annunciator right here. I'm just looking at the elevators here.
Cooler. Somebody's gonna get a cooler full of juice they're not gonna want to drink.
I almost got stuck in this one too.
You want this one?
I'll take it.
I'll check it.
Go ahead.
I'll check it more.
Okay, I'll see you later.
All right, have a good night.
I almost got stuck in the elevator too a few hours ago, which was crazy. Which one's gonna be elevator 1?
Which one you want?
Let's stop it at 4. Elevator 4 is coming back. Elevator 1 is coming.
You go right here.
No. There we go. Westinghouse. Thank you. Let's go to 24. Now I'm going back up to 24 in the video there. Cool. What's now? It's going up?
Yeah, we're going up. Are you two?
Oh, yep. Come on in. What floor?
4, please.
4.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Four. Here you go.
Yes, thank you. Have a good night.
Thank you, too. These are fixtures here. Look like Series 2. Bronze. We're in the video here. Jeez, these doors need to be fixed. Hey! You're not going anywhere. But yeah, there are your elevators here. Hope you enjoy. And before we end the video, there's me, hi, with 100 knees. With that being said, that's gonna be it. See ya.